Hey, welcome back, market gods and goddesses, and this is the Inner Circle Goddess vlog for January the 31st at 2:59 a.m. I am trading the London session. That is my goal for today for this prop firm I have here, which should be at 25,000K, but I took a loss on a trade that I did the other day. Maybe about 3 or 4 days ago. So I am trying to not only get it back up, but I'm trying to have like maybe a $1,000 or $15,000 day to make up for that less than $200 loss that I had on this trade. Okay, so with that said, a couple of things to make note of. Very important that I am using the Asia market strategy to get my support and resistance line in my zones. In addition to that, I'm using the midnight open range. Okay, and as you can see here on NAS 100, I'm doing NAS 100 in gold. On NAS 100, oh, I'm sorry, let me start here. It is the 31st. As you can see, it is Friday, which is already quote-unquote Trap Friday. And in addition to that, it is the core PCE price index and employment cost index is coming up. So what does that mean? You can click on this button here. Excuse me. It's early in the morning. The Bureau of Economic Analysis, and it's a change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. So basically, based upon the consumer, how we spend our money. It's the consumer and the small businesses that keep the engine running in the United States of America. And that determines how the market is going to respond as far as that's concerned. So basically, the usual effect is actual greater than forecast is good for the currency, basically good for the dollar. So if it comes out good for the dollar when we're dealing with NAS and also gold, because you can see that they're pretty much running in the same direction. They're correlating together. Then if it's good for the dollar, the NAS is going to come down and gold is going to come down. If it's bad for the dollar, the NAS is going to go up and gold is going to go up. Now, we've already established that the market is manipulated by the banks, the market makers as they call them, and the banks and the hedge funds and the big boys and girls that are out there, and we're just following their coattails. So, seeing that, remember I told you the theory about pump and dump? Well, it's not a coincidence that NAS is pumping, so I'm anticipating in the morning time, if not sooner, it's going to dump. But usually it waits until New York time to dump, but don't quote me on that. You know, they always got to switch up on us to keep us on our toes. But also, if you look at NAS pumped at around about 2 o'clock in the morning. And also, look at that. Gold pumped at about 2 o'clock in the morning. They're pretty much doing the same thing. Okay, so now it is going down to here. Let's see, this is gold. I'm really waiting until 3:30 to get in with gold because ICT has informed us 3:30 is when they really make their move for the day. When I mean they, the London session makes their move for the day. So I'm going to sit here and patiently wait. And as you can see, it is being blocked by these order blocks. As you can see, it's a couple of times. So we're going to patiently wait because eventually I think that they're going to pierce through there. And they're going to come down here to take out the new day opening gap high and the new day opening gap low for the 31st, which is what? Today. Okay. That's the intended goal. So I'm looking for more of tentatively, till I am told otherwise, looking for the sale as far as gold is concerned. Let's see what NAS is doing. It's doing the same exact thing. Okay. It is respecting, as you notice here, look at that, 2 order blocks here, not a coincidence, and 2 order blocks here. Not a coincidence, okay? So I'm learning a lot. I'm learning a lot that, number one, NAS and gold tends to follow each other in the same direction and perform accordingly. And basically the banks are getting their money now in the London session, coming and going, up and down for the buys and the sells. While we sit up here and technically, if we didn't know ICT's decoding of HIPTA, the interbank price delivery algorithm, that we'll be taken for a major ride because they got us believing it's going to continue going up. That's what they want us to believe when they have all intentions of going down. Okay? Obviously, they're trying to go in the opposite direction of you and me. So, nevertheless, that's all I want to record right now. I want to focus on just trading. I'll come with the after effect of what's going to happen in the market so I can stay focused and see everything. If I am focused on the fact that I'm recording, it'll take me away from being really sharp. Alright, so we're going to wait for 3:30, see what happens. We got about 25 minutes to get to that level. I'll come back and I'll record again some more. Alright, love you all. Stay blessed. Hope everything is well. And I will see you when they... If this closes here... Let's see. Okay, that's an order block that was formed right there. I'm looking like the move is being taken now. Let's see if it goes past this order block here. Let's see. See what happens. See if it's just faking us out. Let's see what's happening with... Oh, it's doing the same thing too. Look at that. Let's see here. Ooh, it's coming right off at that point. For a sell. Guess I'm taking you along for the ride. You see opportunity presents, you got to get to stepping. Here's why I went in, because once again it closed below this order block here, and it formed the order block here to basically might hinder it continue to go down. Now this right here has me concerned. It may come back up and play games until 8:30 and come back up for a minute, but say that I want to take my chances on that. See, I'm taking NAS within gold just because I try to stay with one instrument so I can just stay focused on that. Let's see, look at that. See that? See, that's what I might try to do, fake out for a minute. Okay, that's what I was concerned about. But I will say this, that right here has formed a order block right here that may influence it to come back down again. And we'll see. Okay, as far as that's concerned, we'll just stick with NAS. Best way if I would have gotten in right here. I think I got it right about right there. So let's see where we're at. When they sell, when it's slight negative, slight positive, one of them. I didn't draw it because you can barely see it, but it seems to be respecting the order block, and maybe this very small volume imbalance we got right here, very small, barely see it. It'd be great if it goes down and create another order block past this line here. I'm anticipating it coming down to here. And I'm really hoping that it comes down. Yeah, I'm anticipating it come down here this first and come down to here. And if it does, then I'm going to get out. So let's draw the short here. So I got in right about here. So I'm going to put my stop loss here. Okay, and then get my take profit here. So I'm just come down to that little bit. Let me see how many. It's only 8. No, I like to go a little bit higher when I'm doing with stop loss. See how good it is doing. Oh, it looks a little funky. Look like it's still trying to get glued down, but I like the way. And that's what you want to do. You decide to get into a trade where you can most likely see it. It's going to play out. So I like the way. I'll be honest with you, I did entry would have been so this may come all the way up to here and come back down. Remember, I'm not concerned as much as the 1-to-3 ratio. I'm concerned about my quota. So I would like to get my number 300 to 500 a day. It's probably good. Then we're good. I said it makes its main move at 3:30. So because I went in earlier, I'm going to remove this because I want you to see. I'm going to draw another order block because that's what it's doing right now. It's resisting this order block that formed here. Remember, the order blocks on the lower time frame, like the 1 minute, are very weak. They are not guaranteed to block, etc. You see, like it's doing right now. It's doing a reversal. This is going to go because this was chance to do that over there. Why I got in, because it break a structure right here on this line here. Display that. Let's break the structure here. Okay, I respected this consequent approachment line, the midpoint of this fair value gap. And also, yeah, this is where I would have really liked to gotten in when it bounced off of this order block. Okay. Alright. Now tentatively, now this is turned into a breaker block. This order block has turned into a breaker block now since it's penetrated through there, via this candle. So let me make this a little bit darker to emphasize this is a breaker block now. Cool. As you can see, it's respecting that. It's coming back down now again. This is what you have to prepare yourself for. It's going to do retracements. Most people, you know, when they see the retracement, they panic and they say, oh, it's going back up. It's, you know, I'm wrong about my trade. No, that's what it does, remember? High highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs. It's not a straight down line. Especially if we want to go straight down when we're in the market. We don't want it to come back up and reverse even a little bit. But that's the nature of the game. Another reason why I'm anticipating it coming down here, because it's got to fill. This has turned out to be a ICT calls a liquidity void. I thought he was calling it a true gap, but he calls these liquidity voids where, and I make this kind of like this color here to let me know it's a liquidity void. Okay, meaning that those are the ones that, yeah, that's a liquidity void. So I'm convinced that it's going to come down here eventually and fill this right here. It's 3:18. Got another 15 minutes. Oh, look at that. That's what it does. Yep. I make, if it comes down, I make it back in. Let's see. Hope it may come back up, bounce off of here, even bounce off of here, and if it does, I'm gonna get in again. With the anticipation that it'll come back down. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, that's the game we play sometimes. Because they know people are going to get in for the buy, and they're going to try to fake people out to get out. But I see otherwise. Also, I see this volume gap, which lets me know that it's going to definitely come back down again right here. I'll be honest with you, I'm on the fence about really truly understand this. Not volume gap, volume imbalance. I don't understand it. What I do know though is that when they form, they tend to give a hint that it will go up, touch it, but it's going to eventually turn around and come back down and hit it or get it out or whatever the case may be. as you can see, it's coming. See if it's going to respect this volume gap. If it does, though, I'm going to go in for another volume gap was formed right here, though. Right here. See if it's going to respect that, and he bounce off of that. I don't know. So we got a volume gap in the front, value gap in the back, so it could go either way. But then again, here's another volume. I keep wanting to call them value gap. They're volume imbalances, volume imbalances on. Here's another one right there, another volume imbalance. You may respect this order block. For value gap, another one. I'm gonna go in again if it hits this right here. Here is a whole order block. So you got order block right here. You got a fair value gap right here. See if it even goes to that particular level. See if it's going to respect this order block right here. As you can see, it's 22. So I might go in one more time. Okay, look for the sale. Oh, it's not letting me. Okay, so I'm going to go down just a little bit. Go down to 1 for a sale. Let me go on one more time for a sale and see what happens. Okay, let's go back. It's getting closer to 30. And I will admit, you got this order block here that may block it. Now, if it goes past here, that'd be great because this creates another fair value gap. That'd be great. Keep going down, baby. Keep going. So I would love this fair value gap to be able to form right there. It's a combination of a fair value gap. 2, 4, 3, come on. 44. Other minutes about the storm. Good. Keeps on going down, go down. Go down, go down, go down. Sing a song. Okay, so close below there, let's see. Now, this might be protected right here, but a order block has been formed here. Let's see here. The reason why I'm staying in here with a little bit more confidence is that we have this main big gap. And I find that when you have these, what he called liquidity void, where it is no, meaning no price action at all, it's going to most likely come down and fill that before it bounces down, etc. And I'm going to draw right below there is a fair value gap. Great. Oh wow, it's doing exactly what I had hoped it would do. It's creating, if it closes below this right here, is creating another order block, which is blocking it. Going back up. It looks like it's gonna, we only got 4 more seconds. Cool. That's a great sign. I hope it continues to go down, because if it does, it'll form a, and that's what you do. This kind of keeps you encouraged to stay in the game. It'll form a, only problem is it might go just to here. And I'm going to see where I'm at financially. I just want to get to my quota. Okay. I'm getting close to where I want to be. Alright. Well, we'll just stay in for the ride. Still at a minus. That's the only problem when you do prop firms, because, well, yeah. See, I didn't get intel right about maybe here. But we're getting close to our what? Our 330. So we'll see. It may bounce off and come back up. Did what I was afraid we did hit this. What about? And you know, if this trade fails or if it pans out, I'm still proud of it, because I'm following the rules, ladies and gentlemen. Even though we follow the rules, we're still not guaranteed that it is going to, you know, play out in accordance to what we like. But as long as I follow the rules and, you know, it doesn't pan out, it's still cool, because like I said, in this game, you're not guaranteed. Just not. Oh, great. If it penetrates through this order block, that's great. I like it. I like it where my odds are in my favor, because we're closer to 330. And like I said, usually at 330, it makes it smooth. It really starts to, now this going down, it really starts to go down. And it looks like it's penetrating through there. And that it'd be great if another breaker block forms right there. We got our third breaker block. Order block. Here's an order block that formed. Wait, again, I'm making this darker so you can see it, because it's overlapping breaker blocks, etc. Cool. If it closes below there, it's at 50. Cool. Yeah, this is great. See, I'm anticipating it coming down to here. See, it's coming after that baby. It's coming out of that liquidity board right here. Come on in. And that's what it does when it's real close. But this is truly an order block right here though too. So it might take a minute to penetrate. So, but as you can see, it's getting close to 330. So let's see. Come on down. Hope it creates a, but it doesn't come up any further, because if it doesn't come any further, a fair value gap has formed, which gives me a clue it may continue to go down. Ouch. Okay, the fair value gap is not formed. It's not. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yep, that's what it does. Here's 330. penetrated through, bouncing off of the second order block. Okay, suspecting second order block. This is the second one, and here's the first one. Okay, sometimes gold will let me know what direction. See, gold already went down. See, you played this game early today. Woo, hindsight 2020. I wish I took gold because I'd have been out and done and it accomplished its objective. Beautiful. And see, that's what I noticed. Gold already did this. Nas is now trying to do the fake out, come back up, and then it's going to come back down and eventually penetrate. But see, that's how it wants it. That's how you want it to look. Look at that. Just absolutely beautiful. Okay. Yeah, that's why I like trading gold more than I like trading Nas. Okay, because gold just gives you a whole lot more. Okay, more movement, and if it's giving you more movement, it's definitely gonna make more money than Nas. Sugarfoots. You live and you learn. You see now, Nas is gonna play the game. Ouch, look at that. Oh, just beautiful. Look, it went right through the end. January 31st. Oh, like I said, hindsight. You know, between you and me, I'm going to really, I was telling my son this the other day, I really want to do, I see ICT strategies just pan out perfectly with gold as opposed to Nas. And ironically, he likes trading indices more than he does he doesn't trade any of the other ones. Especially gold, and it's not one of his favorites. Did I draw the ooh. Wow. Maybe they gotta come down. Yeah, I really should have taken. I should have taken Nas because of gold because of the fact that would have made it real close. Oh wow, that would have been just beautiful. That would have been just beautiful because right here you had that confirmation that it was going to come down. It took out the midnight open, took out the NDOG high, took out the NDOG low. Just beautiful. Okay. Well, we live and we learn. Okay, so this is coming back up. Bounce off this order block again. make its move during the 350. Where is it? Draw the 350. For 10. Right here. I learned on a trade I took the other day that came down for focus on liquidity board no matter what blockers were there, etc. Here is a fair value gap that's formed right here. Actually, just come down to right there. Show that. Let it respect it. Once again, this is let's draw that. 350 macro. This is the time where HIPTA, based on price, will make its major moves at around about that time between 350 and 4:10 a.m. Like this one right here made its major move between 350 and 210. Now as you see, this is 206. And look, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that? See that? Look at that. It's 11. And it just kept going up. Okay. It came to 222 and it stopped. Good thing about it is it's going in the direction we want it to go. Our goal is here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's point to it. I'm going to go right to there. Hopefully, or bouncing off of this order block right here. Anyway, that's our goal. And we're going to put in the liquidity. Just go. See what happens. Now, fair value gap formed there, but hey, it's gonna do something. But hindsight 2020, I mean, as you can see, this was an relative equal high right here that respected right up here. Let me draw that for you a little bit. Equal high. So I bounced off. As you know, when we got a relative equal high, we anticipate a reversal. EQ. Oops. P, Q. Okay, now as you see, now like, oh, there it goes, making a strong, I call institutional candle move. There it goes. When it makes a move like that, it's taken away, you can't barely see it, but it also is a move of a market structure shift right here. Just lets me know it's going to continue to go down. Look at that. Look how strong that candle is. See, it's right. It's 340, getting close to this move right here, which is great. You see a long institutional candle like that, its intention is to continue to go down. Usually, yeah. Does it do reversals? You best really look at what it's doing right now. It's bouncing off of that order block right there. But we're just going to keep the faith. That is going to continue to follow through with ICT rules. Follow the rules. That's natural, universal laws, God laws, ICT laws for now. Alright, look, it's getting down to it. Might go down to our level, ladies and gentlemen. Keep the faith, keep the faith, keep the faith. I hope that it continues to go down because it's going to formulate another fair value gap if it does. Okay, it's trying to bounce off it. It's water block. It's 342. Got a couple more minutes before. Hope that it respects this bouncing off of it, respects this breaker block. And I'm going to do another fair value gap because it looked like it is about, yep, there's a fair value gap that formed right there. See if it goes down. So it's a great, I'm going to definitely share this with you guys because it's a great example of what you're going to go through a trade. And by sticking to ICT rules and drawing all the breaker blocks, order blocks for value gaps, volume imbalances, liquidity wards, and things of that nature, it keeps you motivated to stay in the trade when it is following the rules. Now, just now formulated I see a volume thing. Let's see. Okay, it's getting closer. Once it comes down here and hits this right on this order block, I'm out. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, penetrate through there. Come on, oh, sugarfoots. The next, I'm getting to 345. Come on. There we go. There we go. Cool. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Is that beautiful? What? Look at that institution again. Come on down. Come on down. Hit it. Come on down. Hit it. Come on down. Matter of fact, let me get ready to go here to get out of this. Well, not a whole lot of money, but we'll take it. That's barely $100. Okay, well, let's see what this does. What's this? Right here? Yeah. Wait. Oh, wait till it gets there. Hopefully it'll close below this water block. Continue to go down. It's a good educational experience for you guys. definitely going to keep this in if it follows through what I'm anticipating to do, because it's proven all of ICT theories. And like I said, I'm going to get ready to penetrate through there. And we're going to get out. So it's probably going to pounce off and play there, and I don't feel like playing games anymore. There we go. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I like to play games. See that? Almost there. Yeah, fair value gap formed here too. Right there. Okay. Oh, I hope it goes down and penetrates so that it'll create another order block. Let's go down. Get this out the way so you can see what our goal is. Our goal is actually right here. I want to penetrate this and close this. It'll close the void by hitting that point right there. Hope it slams down past this green candle right there. Here's a breaker block that hopefully it will respect right here too, that formed right there also. Let's try that. Come on down for that. Come on. Okay, it's almost 350. Let's see what happens. Kind of concerned if the 350 is going to go up, because it's pausing for the calls. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Where we're at. Had enough of this. Wow. $52. I'll wait a little bit. Hit and respected this fair value gap there. Hopefully it'll go down. Cool. Come on down. Come on. Okay, 50 is about to come, and it might bounce right up to, because that's my only concern. I don't like the way it looks. But we'll do it for education purposes. Let's pray. That's what you do, just pray. Universe, because I like to fulfill this and then get out, because the room go. Okay, that's good that it closed below there. Not really, it was in a strong close, but I'll take it. Let's see if we can go down. This is a good video for you guys. I'm definitely going to share this with you because this truly did pan out. Not the amount of money I wanted to make. I learned a valuable lesson too. They would not let me go in any more than that. There we go. It hit that, so we are going to get out of these and call it a day. Okay, so we made a whopping, as you can see, I'm like bouncing up for joy. We made a whopping on this trade, what? Let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll say 4 times 3. It's about $120. Okay, well look, $120 a day keeps what? Poverty away. That's what some of us make on a daily basis. You know, my goal is $300. I'm usually average making $200 a day. So we did achieve our goal, but more importantly, what I really love about this trade is what, ladies and gentlemen, that it really panned out. It really did what it was supposed to do. It went exactly where it was supposed to go. We drew all the things we needed to keep us motivated to stay in the trade. It was a really, truly beautiful trade. I mean, I just like it. I just really like it. My decision-making process. But the money maker was here. This was, if you notice, look, they pretty much did the same move. Look at that. Pretty much did the same move here. And look at this. Same move there. It's a little wonkier. Okay, but we got it done, and it took us what, 53 minutes. Okay, so this was really good. A nice hour of trading. I mean, think about that. You go to work. It's a prime example. You go to work and you take 8 hours a day to make, at least I did. I had to work 8 hours a day to make $200, and in essence I definitely made my quota for the day, because it only took me an hour at home, luxury of my bedroom. I'm lying down, chilling. Next to me is my computer. And I went in the market, and in an hour, I made $120. Now, that saved me time, money, energy, and stress, and what made me more money than I did if I went to a job. Look, I had to pay gas, buy clothes to go to work, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the dress, go through rush hour traffic, going and coming. I'm looking at myself at the shop right now. I got to be in the shop for 8 to 9 hours, deal with customers. Some they like you, some of them you like them, etc. I mean, this is just beautiful. This is just absolutely beautiful, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you see how you can have this type of experience and lifestyle. Okay, all right, we will definitely break out of this. I'm going to close this account and be grateful. Almost got myself. Only needed another $40 to be back up to what's the face, but it'll come. It's gonna come. All right, I'll see you in the next video. I love you all. As you can see, we showed you the miracles in the market today. An actual live trade demo account. I mean, not demo account, a prop firm account trade. Enjoy. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye for now. Okay, let me close out of this. Love you all. Peace.